Exact is an ISV, a software development company that builds accounting and ERP solutions for small and medium businesses and accountants. We focus on solutions. We're not focusing on technology first. Technology is a very important factor to realize a solution, but it's not the value and the essence of the solution itself.
We are working on our premium proposition. We launched it last year in the Netherlands, but also we are working with Devon on modernizing our front-end technology. And actually we are quite successful together.
Our partnership with Devon is based on flexibility. Because one thing we learned over time is that even though you know what you want to achieve in a project, you never know how you're going to get there. Software development is very hard as it is, and you always run into things that you didn't anticipate, things that happen, setbacks that you get, and then you need a partner that works with you and finds solutions for that specific thing, for that specific problem. Not what you agreed in writing in a contract, but what it is that you need to resolve the problems. And I think Devon is really a partner in that sense that helps you with all the things you need at that moment. And sometimes that's more than you anticipated, sometimes it's less, and that's also fine. And that makes for a really pleasant way of working together.
Devon is for Exact is a flexible and scalable solution on top of our own workforce to work on our ambitions, to work on our innovations. And it helps us to scale up pretty quickly when we need extra capacity.
We have multiple projects going on at Devon, and the main reason is that it's very easy to work with Devon. They're very flexible, they have great knowledgeable people, and we can easily scale up and down whenever we need that. And I think for us that's very important. But sometimes you suddenly need a new project to start, and you don't have the time for 6 months to start recruiting a new team like you would in the Netherlands. And with the flexibility that we have in our contracting with Devon, it's much easier to get that going.
We started within Exact together with Devon with 2 teams. At a certain point we scaled down to 0 teams. But over time, past period, we again scaled up to 7 teams at this moment. And we see it really as an addition on our own workforce.
The basis for the success of our partnership with Devon is always the mutual understanding of each other's challenges and opportunities. And we're always trying to find what works for both of us. So far we have been pretty successful at doing that. That's why I usually like working with Devon.